Hello guys, uh, I'm waiting my platform to open. Oh, okay, let's see. This is the IPO of RIVN. So it's break the 125. Probably lots of people will take it above 130. I don't have much, so I'm reducing smaller. Let's see. This is up, this is up, it's all up. So let's take for the downside. This is up, this is up, but this is, see it, what happened. So it's below the 60. It will do us, it can bounce to the 125 and bounce again. It's close there, it can bounce there. Because it's an IPO, there is not a lot of area to trade from. This is the 15 minutes. Let's go. What's the time? I have 1 minute. See what happened on the 5 minutes. This is up. It was down. Continuation to the long side. Reversal up. So it's finished the reversal. It touched the over. So probably let's see if it's do another push or it fall down to the 125. Take the 1 minute. Going down, get down here, long. Really tricky. Oh, God. Let's check on my algo. My algo tell me above 128.80. Let's see if it's hold the 128. What's the spread? Oh, 10 cent spread, which is good. A lot of momentum to the upside. There's a lot of orders on my platform. 80. Getting bought from. Probably go only trade like this. Yeah. Oh, power to go up. Ah, wow. Dollars. Fuck. Or go up today, but or it break it up, touch the okay. Just finish today, guys. Just finish today. I hope you could hear me because again the mic. So hello guys. So quick recap. Why I took the trade, what I saw. If it wasn't so clear in the live video. Uh, Let me first open drawing pen deck. Okay. So before the opening, you saw me looking at the 60 minutes. I didn't saw anything. Now there is a divergence, so nice for Monday. You see it going higher. You see it making lower lows, so it's continuation. But before the opening there, it was here, so I didn't see anything, no divergence. I went to the 15 minutes, and again on the 15 minutes, I didn't see anything. The stock went higher, also the indicator, and I went to the 5 minutes, and on the 5 minutes, I saw some nice reversal, but the reversal ended. And I pointed out now the 128.80 because you heard me say that the entry price should be if the price goes and close above the 128.80. So I draw this line. And before the opening, I went to the 15 seconds. Let me just take it back to the opening. And this is what I saw. I saw if you check this point to that point, this is lower. So this is going low. This is a low. This is a lower low. And this is from this point, this is higher low. So this is a divergence for the long term, which means that the price action want to continue higher. To where? At this point, you don't know. You need to check some other indicators, support and resistance. But for now, you know that the stock want to go higher. And later, what you see, at the opening, I waited because because the stock is very choppy. There is a lot of interest because it's a IPO, it's a fresh IPO. So what I saw is this. I saw this is a low, and I wanted it to be an higher low. I said I wanted it to be because this will give me a clear indication and a positive indication that the stock will definitely go higher because I have that indication of continuation, but this is a reversal. Why? Because if the price, as it did here, this is a low, this is a lower low, it means that the dropping down is finished, and now it go lower. So what happened? I watched carefully this candle. Let me erase. I watched carefully this candle, because this candle ended here, which is perfectly, but you don't know where the next candle finished. So I thought to myself, if the next candle will finish in red and below, it will push, and you could, if you notice here, it has a small tail. So for a few seconds, the indicator was below this low, was below. But when it finished green here, it immediately, see where it ends, it's close there. So I knew there was, now the buyers are in the house. They took all and they buy all the stocks they need. And now they will push to get the profit and move out. So I entered with the next candle at the going down, on the going down, so to make sure I will get filled, because there are lots of interest. You could see the volume. The volume is about 143K. So I had to make sure. Of course, I could probably put an entry close to the 128.80, this blue line, which my indicator told me that if the price close above, it will go higher. But I was preferring to enter immediately, because this system has about between 80 to 90% success of breakout. This is a breakout system, and then see what happened. It give me losing, and see there 128.80 found a strong support here. So lots of buyer came and pushed the stock higher, and when I saw that, I knew I'm gonna get a win, and I moved 400 shares. I want a little bit more, but I got less. I wanted to be on the 70, the 75. I press, and I got filled here. I don't know, probably with the price action. And then I move on the next candle there, because I was afraid it will bounce again to the downside like it did later. And then from then I have 50 shares. When I see the move to the upside, I exit here and put stop loss of 132. And when I see it break and close below, I waited it to come back up, and then I close it. Of course, I could close it probably here, but I didn't know it will have the power to push more. Sometimes it has, because a stock like to do something like this with the indicator. They like to go up and try another push, give you some sort of indication of the of what's going on, and then push to the downside. But at the moment, what triggered me was this one. Clear indication of continuation, reversal pattern, and entry. And also my indicator, my algo give me exact entry with 128.80. And so I went long. This is how you trade divergence. And this pattern is the strongest divergence. Because if you had long continuation and reversal, it's very strong. You're just taking long. I don't know where you take it. If you could take it on red here, green here, you have a winner. You could also take it, see what the red candle did. They moved down and the indicator moved up. Another reversal, because the close, you need to understand the math behind the stochastic and the momentum indicator. And also another possibility, you can see it later, either reversal. This is a reversal, okay, like here, going up, this the price going down, this is a reversal. And you could see it several times. Let me erase. Try to make it short. Okay, you see this low, see what happened there. All right, something like here, this going up. So it means it want to do a continuation, but from where? You need to find the exact point. You don't have any indication yet, and then see what happened. Going down, and this is going up. You see strong indication of going up. Probably my algo give me an entry with 198. I could check it if you want. I will probably enter here, stop loss there, and could get 1 to 2 if I wait even more. So continuation, reversal, entry. Enjoy the ride. Sorry. Let's check some others. You could see it there. This is again long continuation, and then see what happened. This is a long continuation because it's the indicator going lower, this is going higher, and this is it. And then see what happened. This is higher reversal. You could enter. Probably my indicator will give me something here to go enter. If I went on the 128, $1 stop loss, so 130, and you have a nice win. And why is doing so? Because they told us and they teach us how to trade. So the algo doing the opposite thing. It just it give you indication of going up. You wait, and boom, it flash you out. Try to catch all the stop losses below this line, and not much, and then push into the upside. And then you say, "Oh my God, I wanted to reach the 130. Why I stopped out?" So this is it, guys. This is why I wait. Took me a lot of time to teach myself to wait, be patient, even if I won't have any trade for one day, which is rare now because I'm trading the 15 seconds, the 10 seconds, the 1 minute. But at the beginning, I trade the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I could ended up with no trade. I teach myself how to wait patiently and check for divergence. And you saw how I was waiting for this divergence to happen. I didn't enter immediately, even though I had a continuation to the long side. I wanted to have a confirmation. And this divergence gave me the confirmation, the reversal one. So the combination of those two, continuation and reversal, is very strong, very strong. You can also find it on for the short side. Again, I didn't take a short because it was hard borrow. It's still hard borrow. So hope you like it, guys. Hope it give you some insight. Of course, you can find it on any time frame, on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But then if a trade on the 15 seconds can take you about between 15 to 30 to 1 minute, on the 5 and the 15, it could take you much longer, even half an hour. So trade accordingly. So thank you, guys. Hope you like this video and tutorial about, again, divergences, how to find it, how to prepare for divergence, anticipate it, and trade accordingly. So thank you, guys, and good luck.